decades we fought, but we won't give up. We won't give up, oh, With resilience and strength our struggle goes on. Rise up, Igbo man, sound the truth loud and clear. In the face of injustice, let your voice persevere. Freedom and justice are what we demand. Together we'll thrive, reclaim our Igbo land. Injustice surrounds us, haunting night and day. Yet deep in our hearts lies the will to find a way. They thrive on our division, it's the evil game they play. But united we rise, we won't let them have their way. We stand bold and fierce, like a fire in the night, igniting the passion, let them feel our might. Rise up, Igbo man, sound the truth loud and clear. In the face of injustice, let your voice persevere. Freedom and justice are what we demand. Together we'll thrive, reclaim our Igbo land. Rise up, Igbo man, let the truth ring clear. In the face of oppression, raise your voice loud for all men to hear. Freedom and justice are what we pursue. Together we'll thrive, make our dreams come true. With every setback, we gather our might, fueling our purpose, shining ever so bright. We'll shoulder the burden, we'll carry the load. Together we'll walk down this arduous road. With our heads held high, we challenge the night. In the face of adversity, we'll continue the fight. The path may be rugged, but we'll never stray, for the love of our nation guides us each day. With each battle fought, we gain more resolve. In unity's embrace, our strength will evolve. With tenacity as our shield, we'll forge our way through to our promised land, where our dreams can come true. Rise up, Igbo man, let the truth ring clear. In the face of oppression, make your voice loud and clear. Freedom and justice are what we pursue. Together we'll thrive, make our dreams come true. With every dawn breaking, we will rise and unite. Our voice is a chorus, shining strong in the light. Through trials and tribulations, we stand side by side. In the battle for justice, we take back our land. No longer in shadows, we'll stride into the day. With the fire of our ancestors, we'll lead the way. In the face of our struggle, we still stand our ground. Never backing down. In our voices the sound, the power of unity must flow through our veins. That together we rise, breaking all the chains. Justice long delayed, but we won't forever be ignored. In the rhythm of our struggle, our spirit is restored. From the ashes of the past, we rise high and true. Igbo man, your time is now. Our chi will see us through. We must work for our land, cultivate our place, plant the seeds of hope, watch the roots embrace. So let the world hear our united song. Igbo people together, bold and strong, we'll shape our future, let freedom resilience and hope will rise and break through. Oh, Igbo man, rise up and ignite in the spirit of our ancestors. We'll continue the fight. We won't back down, we won't give in. Through the hate, through the lies, we stand strong, we won't die. So rise up, Igbo nation, lift your voice high. In the struggle for justice, we all testify.